Hello everyone. Welcome back to Edu Vedanta Smart Classes. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of wind circulation and pressure belts. Have you ever wondered how the air around us moves and creates different weather patterns? Let's break it down in a simple and easy way. Before we start, remember a simple concept. The wind always moves from a place with high pressure to a place having low pressure. And the air always rises up in an area with low pressure and falls down in an area with high pressure. With that, let's understand the pressure and temperature concepts. To understand wind circulation, we first need to learn two key concepts: thermal concept and dynamic concept of pressure and temperature. Thermal concept. Here the pressure is inversely proportionate to temperature. When the temperature increases, air becomes lighter and rises, creating low pressure zones. This happens at the equator, where the sun's heat is strongest. In contrast, when the temperature decreases, like near the poles, the air becomes denser, sinks, and creates high-pressure zones. Dynamic concept. Here the pressure is directly proportionate to temperature. Means when temperature increases, the pressure also increases. Now, apart from temperature, Earth's rotation and wind interactions also play a major role. At 30 degrees north and south and 60 degrees north and south, the pressure belts are formed not due to temperature, but due to these dynamic factors. High pressure is formed at 30 degrees and low pressure at 60 degrees. Now let us learn about wind circulations. The movement of air creates three distinct cells of circulation. Let's explore each one step by step. Hadley cell, 0 degrees to 30 degrees. At the equator, hot air rises up to 12 kilometers, forming a low-pressure zone. As the air cools at higher altitudes, it moves towards 30 degrees, where it sinks, creating a high-pressure zone. On the surface, air flows back from 30 degrees to the equator, forming the trade winds. This circulation is primarily driven by the thermal concept. Ferrel cell, 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Here, air rises at 60 degrees, low pressure, and sinks at 30 degrees, high pressure. The surface winds flow from 30 degrees to 60 degrees, forming the westerlies. This cell operates due to dynamic factors and acts as a link between the Hadley and polar cells. Polar cell, 60 degrees to 90 degrees. Near the poles, cold, dense air sinks, creating a high-pressure zone. This air flows towards 60 degrees, where it warms and rises, forming a low-pressure zone. The surface winds here are called polar easterlies. To summarize, the Earth has thermally induced belts at 0 degrees, low pressure, and 90 degrees north and south, high pressure. Dynamically induced belts at 30 degrees north and south, high pressure, and 60 degrees north and south, low pressure. These belts drive global wind circulation and impact weather patterns worldwide. So, that's how the vertical and horizontal circulation of wind works. From the Hadley cell to the polar cell, the movement of air is crucial for regulating our climate. Thank you for watching Edu Vedanta Smart Classes. Follow us on Insta and Facebook for more updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such informative videos. See you next time.